Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram sticker pack. Well, it's a very easy thing to do. On the top left side corner you will see the three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Now go to the settings of your phone. Now here you will get this option of chat settings. Tap on it, and here just scroll a little bit down, and here you will find the option of stickers, right? So here you can see stickers and emoji. Click on it, and here right now I have this hot cherry one. You can just remove this, or if you have any different sticker set you can just add it here. But to create your own one, this is archive stickers and this is emojis, right? So just click on archive stickers. These are the stickers. For example, I just want to add here. So right now if you can see that it's already added. So this is how you can just add your own stickers over the Telegram. Well, there's another way to add a sticker. For example, if you just go here, and by the way you can just download any another sticker set, and if you have purchased any sticker set you can just drag it here, and then it will show you in your sticker set, right? And here if you just click on this, you will find all the stickers which is available now. By the way, there's another way, which is basically you can just go to Google, and there's some websites where you can just make your stickers, right? For example, Telegram sticker maker, and just search for it, and here you can see create your own sticker. It will redirect to your Telegram messenger here, right? And here it will explain you that how you can just make your own sticker right now, right? So here for example you can just go through it and you will able to know. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.